This is the view of South Denver and Englewood. There's the engineering building.
Can't see anything.
We are in the Psi complex or the C complex. I don't know what the fuck it's called. But here is the side elevator.
Alright, there's the controller.
Oh yeah, there's the controller.
Are you just gonna put both of the videos together?
Nah, I'm just...
We should look around on B. I've never been to B.
Yeah, we'll stop the video on one though, if that's cool.
Sure. Can't see the indicator, it's not focusing.
Oh, mine's focusing decently enough.
Oh, you're zoomed into the indicator, that's
Yeah.
why. I'm not. I don't mess with the zoom usually. Alright, we can end the video before we go.
Alright, back up for one.
I already ended, so we're good. I guess B isn't that big of a deal, otherwise it'd be locked, you know?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at it.